many of y'all out there have heard of the Cobra Killer? It's called a Lister. I got a buddy of mine. He passed away not long ago, and I always kind of got to use it for free. Can you imagine somebody loaning me a car, especially a Lister? You can't make a redneck more happier with somebody else's car, gas, and tires. But Bill was a great guy, heck of a pilot. And we got a big show this weekend that I got to MC. It's going to be an air show at Andrews Airport in Murphy, North Carolina. They got the Cobra Club coming over there, and they want to see the Cobra Killer, or the Lister. Y'all need to Google the Lister, man. It's a pretty cool car. Anyway, we'll get up here in a minute. I'll show it to you.
Can y'all change?
Oh, we do anything. Now, the original Lister Corvette was made in the late 50s, early 60s, and it was called the Cobra Killer. That was what they was after. Chuck Beck actually recreated this. He is a very respected race car builder. He built the Beck Spyder. Y'all can Google that. This thing has got a 345 horses EZ3 Corvette engine in it with a 4-speed. It weighs 1,800 pounds. The top speeds is 155 plus, 113 miles an hour through the quarter, and I think 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. But anyway, Chuck Beck recreated this thing. The body is handmade. Every piece on it is made by Chuck Beck. And like I said, he is a very respected race car builder. And Bill actually bought it directly from Chuck Beck. He talked to him. And I think Chuck is still alive. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is an awesome ride that has got crazy amount of horsepower and a lot of fun to drive. All right, there you go. Lister, fuel injected, 350. This is one awesome ride.
Oh, it's gonna be joke.
But not an easy one to get out of.
But it is if you're not fat like me.
No, I need the pipes.
The brake feels good.
Okay. Just let it ticker, you know. Otherwise it won't start. It starts when you turn the key down.
I'm gonna just what I can do.
We'll do that one more time.
Okay.
How long has it been since it's been cranked?
It's been over a year.
Has it been a year?
It was fueled this where he primed it, I guess.
All right, it's been setting for over a year. Got one little fuel leak right there, which ain't no big deal. You put the fuel injection unit on it, get rid of the carb. Leno would say, it's got plenty of power, handles nice through the curves. I don't know what else Jay Leno would say. This has zero power steering, no power brakes. It's truly just a race car. It's actually built in Georgia. I've got a brochure on it. It come with a, it wasn't fuel injected when Bill got it, but he put the fuel injection on it. The hood on this thing is absolutely mind-blowing. It's like a long-hooded Cobra, but it is so close to the ground, you have to actually just second and third. Talking about the power. I don't think this thing weighs much, honestly. That's fourth gear, it still sets you back in the seat. People that drove these things back in the day when they actually raced them, they got more guts than I do. Fun to drive. That's fourth gear. If I get too fast, it'll blow my hat off. Then the wind will be blowing through my scalp.
Hold my hat, Daddy.
There you go. There you go. I love it.
Yeah, that's a cool car.
Now, I can't stress how much fun this car is. I mean, you're looking at 345 horse Corvette ZZ3 motor with a 4-speed, 1,800 pounds, has no air conditioning, no power steering, no power brakes, no top, no roll-up windows. This is just a pure race car. It is completely redesigned just like the ones back in the 50s and early 60s. And man, what a blast it is. I mean, no doubt. You figure with 1,800 pounds and 345 horses, it is just, it's just, all you want to do is go fast. But it don't belong to me, so I didn't go fast. I like to take care of Bill's car. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for more updates. We got the air show this weekend, and I'll be putting up some more stuff on that. And like I said, thank y'all from Phillips Run Grip and Bubble Company.